everybody, what's up? It's Chainsaw John and welcome to September's Carving of the Month. This carving was brought to you by PA Great Outdoors Visitors Bureau. Super excited about this one. A couple months ago, I did a special custom order of a Highland cow. Made a video about it, posted it. It was on TikTok and Reels for Instagram, and it went crazy. And I had so many requests for that cow, but that cow was obviously not available because it was a custom order. And I had zero time to make another Highland cow. So guess what I'm making today? It's a Highland cow. But he's gonna be a little different, and I'm gonna use him out of this log. And I did have a measuring tape somewhere, but I'll have to measure it. Can you hear Banjo? He's barking out the window, he sees us. What are you doing, handsome? You wanna come out? You wanna come outside? Oh, you know what? He sees that tractor, that's what he sees. He's yelling at the tractor. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, no jumping! No jumping! What are you howling at out there? That tractor? You don't like that tractor? No. Hey Banjo, do you want to go outside? Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna make this Highland cow. He will look a little bit different than the one I made before. And I'm trying to decide how big do I want him. It's actually pretty light. Oh, where? I don't know what's up with these toads lately, but even when I was like working back there on that big project, there's so many frogs. Look at him, he's denied. What are you doing over here, bub? Always using the good stuff. I laughed because that was like the fourth take because Ben's camera could not focus. Of course.
Hold on.
Always using the good stuff, right?
Why am I not? It's not wanting to focus on.
I love this saw. It's a great saw. So we got this boomerang like 3 years ago, and I have never been able to figure it out. So maybe Banjo can bring it back for us. Ready? Yeah. before. It just got all those big chunks out. It's getting kind of dark over here, so I'm gonna call it for today and get back to it tomorrow and finish him up tomorrow. But he's a cute little cow. I gotta push this leg back some more and then give him some little toesies. It's gonna be so cute. He's gonna have like long straggly hair because he's a Highland cow. They have that goofy long straggly hair. He's got his horns, his ears still need shaped out, and I'm gonna make him so you can't see him. I'm just gonna have all this hair so he's not even gonna have an eyeball. Straggly, cute little cow. Oh, and I got a tail. There's a tail back there. So you can kind of see where I'm heading with that. He's cute. I think he's cute. This guy all furred up and carved out, but this burner isn't doing a very good job because the wood is still pretty wet. So let's grab that bigger guy. So got the big burner. I never really used a big burner because most of the stuff that I do is pretty small. So it's always kind of fun to get out the bigger guy. Last finishing, besides the actual finish for sealer, I'm going to use some black true stain. And this stain is like, it's like paint. Like it's so thick and so, like look at that.
Look at your face, it looks like you have a unibrow.
Oh no, it gets everywhere. Ah! This is going on a whole lot thicker than what I would like. And I'm very impatient when it comes to this. So I'm just gonna fix it up when I'm done. I'll just go in with the sander there. The airbrush, I'm learning with it, but I have such a love-hate relationship with it. And here we go. Here is the finished Highland cow. So a little bit different than the last one that I did. The last one I had his feet kind of out like this. His toes were out and kind of pointed up. This one I have them kind of pointed down. And he doesn't have an eye because he can't see. He has too much hair. So I personally like this style a little bit better than the first one that I did. But Ben likes the other one with the eye. What do you guys think? You kind of saw it from the beginning of the video. But yeah, here it is. The carving of the month. September's carving of the month. Cute little Highland cow. This carving was brought to you by PA Great Outdoors Visitors Bureau, home of the Chainsaw Carvers Rendezvous.